Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you guys how to change your headlight bulbs on your 1988 to 98 GMC Sierra. It works for the Chevys too. I'm going to be replacing the low beam and high beam bulbs to LEDs. So let's get started. I'm just going to do one side for you guys real quick to just get a quick comparison, and then I'll show you guys how to do it yourselves. And just really quick before I switch to the LEDs, these are the high beams. Again, these halogen bulbs, they're alright, but let's do better with those LEDs. So here's the comparison now. The Lasfit LEDs on the left and then the halogen bulbs on the right. As you can see, those LEDs are just doing their job at being brighter and clearer. Now let me show you guys the high beams. As you can see, the high beams are doing just the same. And now let me show you the bulbs, and then I'll show you guys how to do it yourselves. So here's the packaging with the bulbs. This is the 9006, which is your low beam. And then this is the 9005, which is your high beam. And these were the halogens that are in there before. So now let's get to showing you how to do it yourselves. So all you really need is a 5mm socket with a ratchet or an impact driver. I'm gonna use the impact driver. And all you need to do is use that 5mm to get these two studs out, and then your headlight assembly will come out. Put that to the side. Get these studs out. Put them somewhere where you won't lose them, because you're going to need them. And then bang, your assembly comes out. So once you get your assembly out, just gonna wanna disconnect your bulbs. And there you go. And now once you got the bulbs out, you just wanna disconnect them. Just lift up the two tabs, and then the socket, the bulb will come right out. Same for both of them. And now what you want to do is lift this little clip up, and the light bulb will just come right out. And now you grab your LED and you plug it in. What I like is that the 9006 bulb had this green ring. When you compare it to the 9005 bulb, which is the high beam, which has just like a whitish clearish ring. And that's how I was able to tell the difference. And right before you put your assembly back on, what you're going to want to do is turn on your lights and make sure the lights turn on. And if they don't, just flip around the connector and it should be ready to go. So once you get your assembly back in, what you want to do is put your two studs back in, and then you're ready to go. So here's the final look with the Lasfit LEDs. These are the low beams. Let me turn on the high beams really quick. Now as you can see, way brighter, 100% worth the upgrade. So again, these are the Lasfit LEDs. These will fit on your 1988 to 98 GMC Sierra and Chevys. And before I forget to mention, the headlight assembly that I have on this is aftermarket, but it will fit with your OEM ones, so don't worry.